guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Oh my God, lovely was scatter table. Like good morning. Good morning, my love. How you dey? That's my personal person. Oh, share the video, guys. The barrister want to break the table leg. You people should pump this video. Pump it, pump it, pump it. Just a short video. Oh, how do you guys see this lady here? When we are talking about beauty, this is beauty, excellent. If you are a fashion designer, this is beauty, excellent. If they even say that a party, person when you find pass for that a party, not be say because say now those state women now talk so. All of us will be a those state. When we talk about dress, decent dress, and when we talk about say, wow, this person dress decent, this person look beautiful, this person no silo nyaga put for body, this woman, her beauty is wonderful. Beneath people, some Asian people want they dress, more na come. We will teach you now how they take the dress. Not be dress on the dress go party. Now craze, now they craze go party. Craze. How can one person go put 5-year ring for 1 year? One person go carry all the yoke go put on for neck. Now because they shall say now they wear gold now they dress. There is some people that don't dress with gold. But when you see them, you will see dressing. When we talk about dress, see dressing, say, okay, you just dress, just see this dressing, carry the rest, oh, come. They are when they put for body, their eye, they choke. They be like person when they charge. Their body, they hot. They are so ugly. You don't know what to be beauty. Mama about you say, as I blood this one now, I go the blood they small. I go they show now beauty. You see most of their makeup is so rough. You see most of their hair is so rough. When you wear a big gown, all you need to do, you have to pack your hair. Not be you wear big gown. You put this thing. If you not come put long this thing. Human hair. If you don't come, how can somebody go wear skirt big, blouse when don't talk big? No, one more small. Either the skirt big, the blouse go small. Either the blouse big, the skirt go small. Yeah, see beauty. See now, like see. I don't check all of now when you go that party. I don't check when we are talking of person when he true dress. Say excellent. Why get dressed in who they dress like that? Who dress the way you guys dress? How can somebody go pack big earring? You go pack 3, put for one side of 1 ear. He pack another 3 for one side of 1 ear. He pack plenty thing. He go pack and put for neck like ekita na muri oha kpaga. Yeah, una be like ekita na muri oha kpaga. This woman when she dress like this so. She no get more to add to this her dressing. Did she have more? She have a lot. She have more. I don't understand. You people, if they talk and they say lovely, we swing. Mave te have school. We get school in Edo State. When I was in primary school, we do home economics. Economics is they teach you a lot of things there. Even they teach you how to sew. If you not true go school, how to sew. when we did secondary school, they teach us how to sew. Una no get the one we una learn. This lady now, she has a lot of earring to add to the one that she put on her ear here. She has a lot of necklace to add to the one she put. You can even see she don't have necklace. What she just wear now is just excellent. Not be all those one that they wear. All those one that they wear, no be money. Now they use fake things pass. Now they make noise pass. It's somebody when he gets something, if not just small gold, if you wear that gold, if you say how much, you go reach 600, 1,000. But the yamayama one that they put for body, if they carry and reach where they sell gold, is dustbin. This is how to dress. This is how to dress. If you want to go to party, this is how to dress. Some people now, they go wear one big necklace. They go put another big one. They go put another big one. They go put now they abuse dressing. And those things one they dress. It's not what. It's not what money. You go reva. You go reva. Old school. Old school when people say yes. If they want dress come out. If you put just more gold for name, people say, see, she not get money. She not get. Now she get money. Oh. Now she get money. Yes, now she get money. All those things one pack put for body, they go pack all of them down. Let's say if now 50 women now did that party, one woman for there, only one gold when they neck, they go tell say this gold put on for ground. Una when be 50 women, all those things one pack put for body. Oh yeah, mona carry come, make they test the gold. That 50 year now only 3 or 5 go wear real gold. The remain 45 na kpangolo. Na kpangolo, the remain 45 na kpangolo. If you put gold tester, nothing. Una no know how to dress. More now they talk una they dress. If they talk now say, hey, lovely, I no fit dress that, like a kita. I no fit dress. How can somebody go where you see their hand go? If you want to dress to occasion, you put, if you want wear gold, you put gold this thing. If na chain, hand chain, you put hand chain, you put this thing there. Ivier real one, and gold chain real one. You put, if na still fake, you won't put for Ivier, put one fake for Ivier for hand. Put one fake for the ziggy quoro, put for hand. The second one, if you want put wristwatch, you put wristwatch. Now, these people, they have spent years in abroad. They don't know how to dress. Una dress be like this thing. I don't even understand, say. For all the old world, all the old Africa country, Nigeria will say, now they dress. But then they get one particular place where they don't know how to dress for Nigeria. If I mention right now, people go talk, say, lovely, you be racist. Two. They go pack something, put for body. They'll come pack for leg, pack for everybody. All their body that they work out, they enter everywhere with the milk. Go. If you listen to the background of that party, everything when they the noise, waiting the purple for body, now go they make noise for that party. Even the woman that did the party, happy birthday, sister. She not even pack go for body. We are not the party. Ezigi koron wa muno you work ekpeti was bire yala dia. Una pack and put for body. They say una they dress. Why you wear what dress? Why dress? Now they dress. I beg. If I talk, I don't say they'll call rush me. Una they dress. I beg. If you now wear native, una ugly. If you now wear jeans and t-shirt, una go ugly. I don't know. You just see all their face. These people, they do for Facebook, they cannot do perfect makeup. These people cannot do perfect makeup. They don't sit down for us now. Set makeup for their set colored light for their face now. When they reach party now, you see their face. See their face, makeup. You people don't do sagas. Do. how many years don't end. See, una go do makeup, una makeup is 0. 0/0. 0. When you are going to party, only your makeup alone is beauty. Without you don't even wear a ziggy. If you don't wear a ziggy, your makeup alone will bring your beauty out. Now face, neither they look. Don't be waiting you pass for body. You just see some. Iya wa mwemina ladian first boss ni avie avi ezigi khoro. The first boss of wetin that they call gold. If you carry a rich gold shop, tester go dey cry say, please, can you take this out? Please, can you take this out? This is rubbish. Una too foolish. Wakogbe. Why these people come like this? Why are you guys dress, eh? Make una go learn how to dey dress. As una still do rich, una go dey come. I must talk the truth. Why go dress? Una don't know how to dress. Just common English wear. Una don't fit use a dress. Native, una don't fit use a dress. Una dey see some marriage when that they do for Nigeria. Some actress, if they do marriage, una dey see her. Una dey see her. Una dey see where una dey follow fashion parade. Now they follow one. As they say they want to do this birthday for since last year. Now they use this birthday they do announcement. So now if we contact those people, if you not true get money, now contact people. Use 150,000 take buy complete wear. No. Now come Facebook, now come the share so now the dress go party. No, now enter house who do party, you enter house. Why is this say any ukbone paya we party? Una must put on for saga. Every year that a part do party, one must in we party ni ye saga. I am not telling you people genya. Eya eboni anlue party ni in dress ikbia. Oh, ikbia doje oje. Ikbia doje oje. Look at men. Look at men. If they want to talk now, they'll say these people now come say they get husband. See the way one take the dress like mad ekita namuri o hokbaka. With the dress like dog where they carry go hunting. I don't say now come chop me. I like if una they bounce on me. I they like una saga because una saga una threats not they reach anywhere. See the way when beneath men. See the way when they take dress. See the women. Gevinu wasilo yegbe. Gevinu wasilo yegbe. Yeah. Iwo kesan wa yari we ni aba wa dressing video wa won awo wa don le ne bare dressing ye. Ewa mi egenya wa dressing video o bia ba wa so le ne bare dressing ye. Ida e na ri dressing haria. See bini men. Now men now see for there, I don't see women. I don't see clothes when women wear for there. Now men now see. Men now see for there. If we are made that any address. If you are when you go to that party, you are seeing that party. Now men when they the party, whether na Binyo, whether na Isha, whether na Ibo, whether na Unsao, now they dress for the party. You see the women who was loyegbe. It's time for you people to although she know why she like kwa. Why she like kwa? If they pack all of them together now, put chemical this thing gold test them, you go all of them go black. Why you should ya see you waru. All of them don't black put on our neck. Yeah? Ya see you waru. Wawe file na kwa wawe ya dowe he na we odine. Ah, somebody they just put her down when they put for her, all of them see. Una not even know how to do saga say. Una when they talk how people take dress. If I say me I go zoom some come out. Even washing lo yegbe ya see. They are all black. E go the way me otoya black is area. Go the black. You don't ever see go the black. If you dey come, person wey put go for no, go they make one. E go to your Philomena. Who buy where you go the even washing lo yegbe ya see ne. Wabe discharge ni wabe ya dobe he. I will need a gog. They walk on the rest for Facebook. The real school don't use their gold. They do paper issue. The real school, when they buy gold that year, They don't use their gold. They don't sell out. Yeah, you go to Yagwezo. Yeah, Yagwezo. I'm yes with be. I'm here be away. Even go away. Yeah, team will go. May I carry my gold? Go where they sell gold. May I go sell and use and take fight my document. You see, huh? Oh my, what are the dressing on Meg? You see this dress? You see how she fine. See, huh? Omashi le mi ye gbegbe. Abi Meg no get wetin he want she lo pupu for body. Yeah? All the old things Meg for Silon pufu. Why go dress? How can somebody go occasion pack nyama for body? You no rich, you no get anything. That they talk and they say lovely shut up now go there wear. All those things whether they purple for body, whether they say now gold. If you want buy one of those things, say you read the gold. You say you read the gold. You know how much it cost. If you read the gold, say this is not gold. You know how much? Those people get 15,000 euro to buy gold. They get 10,000 euro to buy gold. I bet they don't even get 5,000 euro to buy gold safe. I beg, they abuse. If you not go party and who do party self go dress fine. The way one take dress enter the party, now come abuse the party. Even when she lo yegbe obugbe, it too much. You just dey hear golo gala gala. Oh ye na she report na she agolo na yawe my. No say agolo na yawe my geni. You got one of my friend when be say that they do my that year. If anytime we reach that compound, na so agolo goro wa mo na agolo money agolo uweli wibaro agolo. That is una dressing. Why go dress? A dress in Ogugwa is so horrible. Una no know how to dress. If una say lovely, come dress, make you see. I don't get party when I dey go. If I reach Niger, make una dey wait. If I reach Niger, I will throw away one dressing for una. One dressing, simple dressing. I teach una how to dress. Hey, why can't me as I do this video finish? I know say many of you now can say, lovely, you dey dress. Even why me ya mwegbe. I don't feel use and take dress. Lie, me ya mwegbe. How can somebody go wear skirt go big, blouse go big? You go be like person where wear agbada. Be like this person way that they call her that time. I don't forget that Yoruba man when that way that they call him Zegodaya. Oh yeah, agbada the Zegodaya muno yegbe. Why if you not come for pa mona enter house. Una dressing no fine. Wetin wan happen may happen. Emo say walawa. Why we party ya? Ye party no one. Why me party I close I we am ye party na. We wa vio yo na de na hangele de ladianwo. I we genya wa dress oreba. Why go dress? You people should arrange your dress. So you people cannot sew very fine skirt. Come put skinny blouse. Even if say your belly big, they go tie on belly. I get like beko ni. I'm a ghetto na beko. When they see most actress, they get belly. I they come they tight their this thing today. They come they tight and you I don't feel breathe again. I don't feel breathe. I don't feel breathe. See this person. We out here. Anita Joseph. Anita Joseph gets stomach. He gets shape. He gets stomach. If Anita Joseph want wear this skinny dress, they go make sure say they pump on. Yeah, pump. Yeah, reduce that belly when he gets. If he stand, the belly go flat. Everything will come out. Wow, so an address is say, an address is say. While my dress, a dress is no wa. Na zero. Since una want craze, una dress na zero. What my dress say, you people should go and learn. You people should tell your tailor to work on the clothes near Selen Munwa. See clothes. I don't understand. I don't understand. Look, money wareji party waki aso wayi party. Which one really wear fitting native for there as a woman? I wear. If you see this princess dress. Ide erona the way why am look more you we genya to wahala be like say all of una get belle mo na eta anytime we pa te do do party. Una must come saga e party. Good morning. We must do saga e party. The barrister in the building. Now me be law of the law. Now me know wetin be law. Ikbia that party. Now me get that party, not be women. Now men, now get that party. You don't see the way when men take use their native take dress. Wama giyan. Why giyan? Now they see. And all those men now, those women, they go wear this cloth follow now. Una no even care. You say, I bet they don't concern me. See all of them do belle woto. Ekono wa ye woto. Why they are reduce ko? Why ema eko ye budu. Why we ghetto? Ask Kenanaki ghetto wagbera. Why am a ghetto of 250 euro? Go and buy it if your stomach is big. The one where they sell for AliExpress, when Chinese say they do their belly, now they wear. Chinese people get stomach. Can you use Chinese person for advert for ghetto? If you need ghetto, go for America. You see this American lady, when you see say they go wear tight, they go big, they find their belly. Now the ghetto now they wear. All the time now, come they misbehave. Say una no get money, una enter house. I may go now. If una want say make una they go this thing, una see some dressing when Toto Dike they wear. If una they wear that one, I will talk say, una try. I see the time when Rita Dominic do marriage, una not see the clothes, the native one they wear. Una not see the way we find. Una they find those tailor. Why go le tailor? Why can somebody why je boba e masse? You people should go to your traditional clothes. Why ye boba? Why ye bidi yo ivie? Una put ivie. Una can't put gold. I get your dress. Even if say thief carry una for road now. Thief go just say even thief don't say not be gold, not be una wear. I got the woman. But how they call the fool na self again? This something they vex me. What a fool leg bugwa. Come on, better you my hair. See, they not go put for this thing. All this live video presenter. So if person want can go party again, who want go that party? They no can't go party again because those cyber space live video presenter they come they sort who dress pass, who no dress pass. Who dress pass, who no dress pass. Some people not even say now only before if they go party, not everybody they dress go party. Some decided to wear jeans, put t-shirt, pull necklace, go party. So free carry a bag. There, if you call this party, wait till that person wear, now even dare pass your own. Pass most of una, all of una self. Person when you come buy this thing now, Moschino. You buy Moschino trouser, 250. You buy Moschino shirt, maybe 1 something. You can't buy Moschino shoe, 200 or something. You carry Moschino bag, 200 or something. Wait till that person wear, take go party. It's almost 1,000 euro. Only less when you go buy 70 euro. You can't say you dress past who carry Moschino bag, who wear Moschino shoe, who wear Moschino jeans, who wear Moschino t-shirt. You want to say you dress pass, huh? You want to go use 70 euro, 100 euro, buy lace wear. The lace self, I don't even know what una they wear. Mona enter house, una don't come to make noise. Go, why go dress? Since una they talk of the dress, me when be barrister, I don't see dress for there. Two work just is you look more, you are a party. When I all wear clothes, go party. If the say, if person when be say, I when I don't tell me dressing, I will say Edo State, now the Edo State valid and women. Ni again when they know the real meaning of dressing. Here to be a you need a wearing a dress you wear dress. Look at all of them. They are just angry of themselves. You cannot see smile on their face. Yeah, you not gonna see smile. See this one. You know what? If you know what? If now insult people finish. Tomorrow, una want make the people they follow now they play. See that one when they greet that one carry face come out. I say My sister, they drop live video for my Ugwabazuwa. Drop your character for live video. Drop a put for my Ugwabazuwa and Facebook. As you dey party, they greet am. Why you dey come on eye? Why you dey front face? Why you dey run? You say na they be this. After they follow you, take picture finish. The next time, na to insult. Yeah. You dey say who buy 70 euro list? Yeah. No. See, you know what? There is some people for that hall that day now. He wear jeans, he wear t-shirt, he carry bag, carry shoe. They all they see that wow. Eh? He go all wear t-shirt, he go wear jeans. And if they come that party, people when they dress with jeans and t-shirt, the jeans when they go wear, you know, say jeans when there, if you wear them, I want then you tell no. Jeans when you know there, if you wear them, I want you go tell no. If you enter that, if they come party say na jeans and t-shirt with this thing, bag and shoe, put your eye down, look am very well. No, na maka, na you go wear maka. Na you go wear maka. And those one when you carry one woman now, like as I go that party that day, now carry one woman now, carry and stand. Carry goat tester, put for your neck, nothing, they there. Nothing. Everything na fake. Why una they dress with fake? Now they make noise pass. I always say una they dress with real something. If una they make noise, I will say yes, una try. Even here no have your yegbe is fake. Here where here mune go there. Don't go in here. Those are not good. Those are this thing. Those are emi na wa mune yegbe na zigi. And in France, and France they do those things now. France, that again that thing ya lad again. Who can tell me the time when that something come out? Even women said they know they buy. If you carry a say Wetin be this, because black woman not they sell gold. Only black woman when sell gold for Vicheza that year, may her so rest in perfect peace. The husband, he they work for gold company. Like say na husband, na family get that gold company. Even as that woman see if they hawk that gold reach that time. People when they buy gold that time, they will decide to go to shop, go buy. Yes, we decide go they go shop, go buy. The woman will even see you say, I make you go do it, go to where your dress. Where make you go dinner? Who do want buy gold for black person hand? Like Napoli gold. You can't go buy Napoli gold, come carry and come. Carry and come Padova, carry and come Vicenza, or carry and go Treviso, or carry and they'll say who they buy Napoli gold. When we go to the Napoli, nobody they buy Napoli gold. Even Napoli gold serve. Some people they if they go Napoli, then they sell them for inside train. Then they sell them for inside train. I can't never invite Nigeria to my party. I no want their Wahala. Yes. They go wear small. The thing something when they wear is nothing. Now they top pass. Which God that they say, I bet my person go buy gold for sure by yourself. All those yama when they said, now one not be goldy. Okay, as he won't sell that gold for you. Wait till they take the test gold. He get her. If you don't can't addition, you will start saying now go. You will say you just accept. They say everything when they glitter, not be gold. Most of those things when they carry, now not be gold. That is why. Okay, you put just a color because say he get gold. This thing. Do you know that these people now how to know gold? Do you know that gold have signature? Gold has signature. If I want enter shop, any shop, you say you carry gold, come give me, make I say I will check the signature. If I see check, I will kind of go where they test gold. Go test and kind of go this thing. If you buy and say you want to sell, okay, come on, go where they sell gold. If you read there, tell the who they sell gold, say please, this how many carat be this one? Say see how many carat will it be. This gold, how many this be? You say no, this one is not good. This kind good shop day now. Why it concern? If you want to be paid small for shop, you can be paid small for shop. You can keep 1,000 euro gold. Anytime when you pass, you go put 100 euro. If you still pass, go put 200 euro. If you still pass, go put 50. If you still pass, go put 200. One day you just go there, you just carry your gold, put for neck. You not buy your gold. May you use and count a day. They tell people say I buy gold. You buy gold na investment. People that buy gold, they buy it for investment in cases they have problem. Yes, I always talk. If I go Nigeria now, I say I run out of money. No need when I'll come put myself for Facebook, say, hey, I need money, oh, I bet now give me money. Oh. No, I'll just go Agansa. I'll come on one for my neck. I'll tell Agansa how much be this one. He will tell say, okay, man, tell this girl, it reach 600,000. I will give, I'll collect my money, come on for that. Yes. Now, so it they be. Not be say, now come gog for Nigeria, now go they beg money. Una not feel pull something out for our body. Sell. Some people feel carry hair come out. Person will just say, this hair, I like her. You like her. I don't need money. You just remove her for her head. You just sell her human hair. A better human hair a better go diru a necklace. Wa say Facebook, why do I back me? What do you guys do with your money? Why you gonna know who wow? That is the question I'm asking. What do you guys do with your money? These people, you cannot see them with marker. You cannot see them with expensive clothes. There is no expensive clothes on these people. You don't see them with expensive bag. You don't see them with expensive shoes. Then why making noise? Why making he out of mode? I be why now the mode this out of he. You want to mold he with mode. Does that is una not dress. Now lie you lie. Forget that one. You don't know anybody. Go shop. Go buy your good. Go to shop. What's here? Nigeria people, every day. There's some people say 419 no go fee no fee play my money. 419 no fee play my money. God forbid. 419 no fee play my money. 419 go just collect money for you. And me, me. Even if say black woman carry goat come. That goat go be 1,000. They go say make I buy 500. I know they buy. And they go shop, go buy that goat 1,000 euro. Shop is everywhere. Why you guys? Why are you so fake? Now, so the first do that year. They'll bring phone come for them. The phone at 1,000 euro. They will show them the real original phone. They happy say they see phone buy. Real original phone at 1,000 euro. They will tell say bring 500 euro for this phone. They'll come they happy. Before they'll say, okay, let me, okay, can you wait for me here? I'm going home. Just wait. The person will say, no worry. Let me take you to your home because he don't catch you mugu. Before you read there, you don't come down, you don't quick. Many people, why 419 way boo. Before you know, you don't carry, okay, this is my home. Let me go upstairs. Let me go and bring money. He go show you the phone. By the time when they go, they change the phone. You not go know if you can't carry the phone reach house. You can't see nyama inside. Nyama, but shop they there. Go buy the original one. They find cheap article. I can never pass up and way buy something. Me, how they pass up and way buy something? Lie. Like something they I can't follow black woman buy gold. How they follow black woman buy gold? Can I come my house? How they buy? How they go shop? Even if say now 50 euro gold now one buy. How they go shop go buy ya? Not a black woman. How they follow black woman buy gold? If you are buying black, if you they buy gold for black woman hand, my dear, go shop, go and buy gold. You doing wedge, sitting wedge, go shop there, dear. You people should stop being naive. Happy and way. I don't do anything with happy and way. Everything that I buy, I they buy and direct. I mean, ya they go the way, boo, ya get black, ya they go the way, boo. Ya go black, ya they good. Yeah, all those shower, this is that they sell on for now. That they tell na say na good. Most of those things when these people they say na good. If that gold really they gold, you know fee buy am. How much you they receive a year? When you want see 7,000 euro take buy gold for inside your salary, a year salary, just half of year salary. Who ya the gold? Where that one they happen? That one a lie. Go shop, go buy your gold. You people should stop being stupid. Why are they go to the shop? If you still broke, you want carry and go back to shop, take it there. They take their percentage, come on, they give you your own money. If you don't see, say, if you don't use gold, you don't use gold, say the gold don't tire you. Take and go shop. You use and take another one. Yes. They'll tell you, say, do you want money or you want to take another one? You'll say, yes, you want to take another one. They will put on for way. Where? The way when they weigh that one when you carry come. The one when you go take now, new one. Now the same way, now they will take where give you. Why you do not the worst part of you people? There is some people why warian serre. You just see some women out there now why warian serre. That serre woman wanna look so something when they body. You will put one goat for, but the doctor say this goat na 2,000 euro. If you tell you say na 2,000 euro, take buy, you say as small as this goat is. Yes, the goat is small, but the money is big. He not buy and make people come see and say he put big goat for neck. He buy and in case of scarcity, that is investment. Investment. Now be good. God not be say my dress is say now as you now come Facebook now call they show us nyama thing when not be gold. Now call they show us say see gold. If one person want to say lovely, you made the dress with gold. They were my coin. God didn't here. God didn't here. If I won't say may I run my entire life. If I go shop, I'll carry one of my gold come. I'll put on for there. I'll tell the man say I bet this gold how much? May just talk on for air. The man will tell you, say, this gold is almost more than 1,000 euro. You will say, as that goes small, rich, I buy it as it's small. I buy it 1,000, I buy it 700 euro. I buy it for myself in case of scarcity. Now it make me buy it. I not buy it, can't show people say, I buy gold. Gold, now something when people say, now investment. Now gold be. Now investment. Now gold be. Gold is an investment. People that buy gold, they buy gold for investment. If you get problem, you take and go this thing. Did you know how many una they watch only where una they for the cry na Idahosa space? Go to some of America program. Some people will carry gold reach there. They'll just put chemical. You go all black. They'll say this is not really good. Boyfriend and girlfriend, they go to fight. But you told me it's gold. You told me it's gold. You said, I don't know. I bought it. The person that I bought this from, he said it's good. I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Now then you see some go still carry gold there. If you drop the gold, if they come up for that, they will give you money. If you still drop, they'll say, no, God will did this thing. You know too much. Checkily. If they say you see use chemical, just see test them. The real gold for inside chinkele, you go see drops, go see me chinkele, go see now this small one, now be the gold. Don't say that they made gold. As this gold be that they made time, finish, can't know how many gold can remain inside. They want to bring the real pure gold come out. What did these people they put for neck? Say they made time. God no even there for inside. Well, that can those states. If now want to now say, now get Nigeria. Now they know pass. They know now for saga. They know now for irrelevant things. They know now for something we no get head. They don't know now for quality. You people, you are where equality. Where equality. Women that if you see the real Edo women, Edo state women that really have gold. Iyan yo warokpa iyan re yuru iyan mo eva yuru iyan we o he mo eva yuru yi go ni ya do no je ya fan de. You don't know. You say no, I know they wear na two na one put for neck o make because you know say na money dey neck. O engenya o man no je gold. If you wear and you know say na money dey your neck. Na only one you go put for neck comot. You know just carry the two, carry four put for neck. Real people when no good. If you just say, oh, what your bojo, oh, you are fine. No, say people they cut person gold for neck wrong. You they watch you, they go. You know, say now go there your neck. I want your bojo, or wa fine key. But oh, family gold, or family gold, or family gold, or every time. People when they really wear gold, if they go out, now one that they put for neck. One. Okay, would they go the 1,000 euro, 1,000 euro, a 2,000 euro gold? One and 1,000. Another one and 1,000. I you want just one, you all put 2,000 euro gold for neck. Here if you go put one for neck. If you use one take dress today, if now the day when you see they come out, you still use another one still take dress. Come out. Oh, I think with 2,000 euro gold euro. You wait buy, you don't say na money you take buy. Because why? We are mioji or a fian or fake necklace in it, or lay with the necklace. Yes, or lay with the necklace. Even person when you get 500 euro necklace safe, you go put 500 euro. Another one, 300 euro. Or well, make I put one for us, make I put one for neck. No je ya fian. Or man not really go the yegbe, or babegbe. Person when you wear real gold. Or babegbe. If you see the person too near you, you go use your hand, take hold on. You don't know. If person too near you, you use your hand, take hold on. So women when really wear gold though. If you see that to the near, I go say, I don't work belele, na be may I remove this gold for my neck, oh. Yes. Oh, this one when just waka follow me, so may I remove this gold for my neck. You know, you have family, you go come out for neck. If that person na true thief, if he say you don't come out for neck, you go waka pass. I bet no na enter house. How they dress? Una dress today horrible. What dress? Who dress for there? Who dress? Or dress? I don't talk now. Who dress for there? Now men, I dress for that party. Men. Wasi lo yegbe. Why washi le yegbe? Wa yere kita. Washi lo yegbe kita na muri o paga. Be like dog whether they want go to do hunter. Wow, if you now move, if you now shake, goro. Now so goro. Hey, God did make a noisy video. Where you are really where God, if God sound, the sound of gold, oh, you make boom, sound of gold. A God, the God that hit berry gold, oh. Yeah, he take behind the sand. Hey, go, la. I think that they find one can spoil una dressing. What dress? What not dress it all? Live video presenter. None of una dress. Una not dress where? Dress is what dress. Why ya dress? Etonoru wa hun kwe no fake. Etonoru wa hun why dress ya. Wa ma eva dress ye. Now wear big cloth from neck reach ground. Una will carry hair or top. Una will be like igbabonemi. Now be like a masquerade. Only why dress here. You people should go and work on your dress. More now they come Facebook again. If person do party, more now they use the party they do soccer. Anybody when just do party, now must carry and come Facebook. Anybody when do party, now must carry and come Facebook. The other time when they do one party, that they say everybody wear gold this thing. Lolo no wear gold. The gold where they lolo neck. Now gold na he wear. Because you know where those nyama one when he sing follow now. You get one woman when they sell gold for Facebook, he pack and put for one, he say na good. Now say for your mind. For your mind. For your mind, say this, you can see the tell people say this one na good. Here I go have a seven, here I go have a doy. Una not the dress. Why go dress? Why dress if for you but and why veil your way? You go different. Ekpon wamu go different. Then they see to match bag. Where me on that those party bag. And me and we the shoe. And me and we the shoe. The bag will be 200. That purse will be 200. The shoe will be 270. Everything when you those two now don't reach almost 500. Why she le sigi kworo yegbe wa do agbagban me. Now they shall say na me dress pass. Na me dress pass. Well, I don't know how to dress. No na enter house. Go and look at any party one I want go next time. People should go and look for good tailor when you want sew na cloth for now. Live video presenter we ma how. Hey, ni I will live video. Cause all those are not going to use chest sit down say na then dress pass, not be then dress pass. Wait till now wear safe. Who they sew cloth for now? The breast too. When they sew for now, he press on our breast. Breast too. They stand breast. Breast too. They stand breast. Why me otore Johnny? Why mundemina yo when no wear flat, breast not they stand, not you know they curve, nothing. Eh? We so I can only make couvon. Why it yeah dentist. Why I register with dentist? Why house and why I can wanu? More they washed it when they do na mat. More than all they can't make noise. None of una dress. Una don't see this woman when they here. Una don't see the way when they dress. But if they want to say that because now your Asian sister. No. Any person when you want to talk truth. This is how to dress. She dress finish. She wear this cloth, big cloth. She do this thing. Packing gel. Porno. It do porno. Not the porno that they call this thing. It do one. See the way when it take fine now. She put on 1 earring. This is how to dress go occasion. To why depression. So anything like depression now depression just the carry na go wear cloth depression go depression na carry nyama cloth wear depression go depression na pack all the ogongoro now they wear no ogongoro this thing they do their own that in na Paris go now they call that thing that year Paris go there ni aya muari egenoya latia ni 2006 Paris go that year egede go di ya latia Paris gold o ike wa bini woman we tell me where on my guy the real gold if you put good real gold for neck now this one put gold for put this one for neck now does say now this I say mama they see they know the different one. When man go now wafa papa. God get the way wait off you get the way when they shine. Now once you just shine once, I wear villa. Where this is good. Or now what they do. Hey ya wo isi. Why are you mokbe? Why no you runa? Why you mokbe? Because good. That way God did not need when we have yari kin and ahe good. Ni aya me good ya guakbe. On ahe good. Wama dress, una no dress. I think una 1 year result. Now barrister don't read the result. Wama dressy. You people dress is offline. You guys dress is barbaric. The dress in Oguwa is very barbaric. I don't want to mention name. This one dress like this one, no dress like this one dress like. None of una dress well. Una dressing. That's something when person still they pose. Una enter, una begin to dey dance on top. To see where una locality drop una brain. My people, that is the way that they call and don't forget. And that show this thing when they roll round. I don't forget his name. If you know his name, write down for here. I know all of them. I don't forget that thing. That thing when they come they stand put. Now these people I see say they sit on top of that thing, they can't begin to dey dance. If you stay for that thing, you go dey pose. Now pose. If you don't put your hand for waist like this, just leave and it's something go just turn you round. Or what turn you way round. Now these women I see say they stay on top, they can't dey dance. Ow! Oh wow. Where did they blow now? Okay. Wahala. My people, that thing when they stand put. I will say you care agbukeya. Una our do people, they stand on top, they begin to they dance. Then I will I will take bukewi. That is posing this thing. If you put your hand, anyhow when you want to pose, just pose like that. The something will just they carry you, turn you. Yeah, now bouquet. They can't they dance on top. As they dance on top now, the something now, he can't they roll there. He can't they make jiggy. Where they can't they dance now? Yeah, I will take bouquet. Okay, now pose. You will just pose. Any direction when you turn yourself, you just focus. Carry your face, go up. Now so that thing be these people enter. They begin to they dance on top. Hi, wa local gbe. You people should leave live video. Go outside Edo community. Go to check fashion parade. You see that this thing, it there for fashion parade. People when they do fashion, they go stand on top, they go pose like this. This something go they turn they round. You go turn you round. These people enter on top, they begin to dance. Hey, way. And they come for now. Now what now go give you now. Hi, only that thing alone. When I stand on top, that it just disqualify una. You stand on top of that thing, you go they pose. You don't need to they dance, you go pose. This one you go they turn you around. You go they do different. If you put your hand, if now waist you want to put your hand like this, you put your one hand for waist, you change your gay, you throw away your neck. Anyway, when you want to do, you not come to say you can't dance on top. You have a bouquet on top. Hey, I do it. What do? That's now beauty, eh? And they call it they use that beauty parade though. All those fashion design, fashion, enemy, go there. They will just put, if na small pikin, they just put now. You will just put in hand for waist. This one you just turn and go here, turn and go here, turn and go here. My phone, they make a noise. What is going on in my house? Because it's something they go on. They give me alarm. When people may I leave now. I don't know what is going on. Everything be dead intact. You see, my phone is blowing alarm. I connect it to my house. In case something is wrong, I can receive alarm. It's giving me alarm. Mommy, take your phone out of that place. I mean, now your phone. Now you still talk. Remove your phone. Yeah. Yeah. See, I was ready for you. Where did they go? Ah, my people, may I leave now? Now see there. Oh, that thing, no, na still on top that thing, make that thing they roll now. Una begin to they dance on top. Ah, we are local be. Why do you people local like this? That's something you go stand on top. You go now. You go they pose. You just stand. If not to put hand for waist, you go put hand. You go carry you round. If not to put hand for your head, you go put hand. You go carry you round. See, huh? They stay on top. They dance on top of the something. Now, not see the way they take the dance. I will look at people. Wahala. Make una enter as mama lawa talk. Eh? Anytime we pay the most they do this thing, una must put on for party. Una too the jealousy. You guys, jealousness is too much. Now you make una no feel make am. Why jealousy? Money one want to do better thing. Now go carry and go give native daughter. Native daughter egbe why go now? Una go day house. Una no go get house. Native daughter go get 4 flat for Nigeria. Native daughter go get 1 big house for Nigeria. Eh? Nonsense. I need a why dress what you need now that me now. Even village people now they know they dress like that again. Village people. If village people want go party, then they get tailor. Even if say na who go bazuwa village, you go get one person when be say, you go carry the whole cloth, the tailor go come. You go come mention them. You go carry and go back to Benin City. If you saw the cloth finish, you go carry and come back. Yes. Now so. The time when I finished school that time, when I never learn work that time for Nigeria, the little one when I be the learn before. If they come follow us by cloth, now meaty will come follow us by cloth. We get tailor when we they give special tailor. Then the day when the tailor will go, the day when they go do meeting, the tailor will go mention them. Who want make the tailor swan for them? They go they will say yes. Who don't still get, still say, nah, he still get your tailor, you will still go give it tailor. No. Come on top of this, when they roll, when una stand put, una they dance on top. They dance on top. How local you people are. Make una enter house. You people should go and blend yourself before coming to social media to motivate people. But okay, for example, now say if somebody want to learn something from you people, who na they motivate? Who be that real somebody when know how to dress for that Facebook? When person go to say, I want go learn for this person hand. Now actress, now there they go. Actress. Now there. Now there they go. No. Wazire Facebook wa she why she le mi yegbe a chain. Why she le chain yegbe kaba. A chain na chain kita. I wa she le yegbe. Why she le yegbe for me. Why do I take now waje good? I wear good, na me wear good. Now today that they see fake things, one at the dress. Everything fake. Come on, better you my everywhere home. Why me get ya there? Some of them now did this thing. They Facebook. They know as they don't go Facebook, they Facebook for more than many years. They never get contact. When are they do my live video years back? Now they forget contact of her. The woman call me. He tell me say, I see you online. Say yes. Say yeah. I say one certain time see one hair for my hand. I can say yes. Why for buy that hair that time? Now start down now for buy that hair that time. Start down how much I take buy that hair. I start down now buy am. Because also they say come give me contact. Now there they go buy hair. Now they see my hair if I use them. You go sleep. Now carry my man put hair put for her. Now come they talk. Now wear attentive hair. Now come they shout. So as una see do person una say na human hair now na one buy. People they sell fake hair for una. Now human hair now na one buy. People they sell fake hair for una. Like the hair when the video when I do last, that my long hair when I wear. Somebody come and say, ah, mama, this your hair, I like how see the way you full. I could say, ah, may I help am? But now say the person when they sell am for me, I will fair call am first. He say, and I say yes. I told the I even tell the woman, say, may you give me the contacts. The woman say no, because my business see they do. If I still follow and buy, you'll see reduce for me. No one give me the person contact. I tell her, the woman say, you online, you that is doing live video, you want me to give you my business contacts? I say, yeah. He say, if I want buy, I feel buy like 5. If he give me 1, if he dash me 1. You know, see, maybe the 5 when I will buy now, maybe not 300. He go use not 300 for each one. He go use 1 to dash me. That means he dash me 300 like that. Because he no say no money. No give me the contacts. No, on a fool for Facebook. Come on top of something. Make I tell you now, they talk of dress. I'm going to throw away dress. On top of something when they roll, make una display una beauty. Who fit display e beauty there? And the nyama one una wear, they no fit use and take display beauty on top of that rolling something. Tomorrow they'll say lovely, shut up, that's waiting you. No, not see now. I don't call the debunk now because wama and Europe, but me they teach you now. That's something when they roll. Come and display your beauty. Now that's something talk. Una reach there, una stand on top, una begin to dey dance on top. Did you dance on top of that rolling something? No, you don't dance on top. You display your beauty on top of that place. Whereby, pose like this, make your gun, stretch your neck, laugh, smile. Now that's something now it be. But una dey climb on top, una begin to dey dance. That one first disqualify you people. No talk about the dress. No forget dress. Everybody fair no say ukmonu wayaye party. Na nyama na una dey carry go party. The necklace one dey pack for neck. Na nyama na it be. Sis una dey find saga. May I just disqualify una. People when wear cloth for there, we know they. You will see the way where they take sew the cloth. Perfect. fitting when they put for now this thing, it reach armpit. I said something they wrong. Now the second of my phone. What did do this phone? See, huh? I said something wrong. Now the second of my phone. What is going on? You see, huh? I don't tell una finish. Make una enter house. I know so now can't fool myself. I know they if I want follow na talk. I know they do gaga. Yeah, now so you talk. Since you know me, I know they go. Now so you go talk. Right time, I know you. I know they go. I know they go party. Which party I want go? That one where they will go finish, they'll come they fight. Right time, I know you. Because I know they block you. I won't make you fool yourself for you. I won't make you fool yourself. The day when I go party, when you go see me for party, you go say, chai, now this one I make lovely. They always they talk say the party one that they go, not the misses. And how they follow people. I know you not delete the comment. Why delete them? Leave the comment. Not today. She don't remove the comment by herself. Hypocrite. Oh, I don't want truth. That is the problem. Hey, don't delete her, my sister. You don't laugh. Leave the comment. I know how to iron una. Una matter no they push me because una not rich. My sister, love. You see that thing when they roll, not to display your beauty. Not to display your beauty. These people stay on top, begin to they dance on top. Did you dance on top of that beauty display? That thing when they display beauty, that they stand on top, they dance. That thing, not to they make shakara, you go say like this. You go pose. This one you go they turn you round. You go they pose. If you want put one for your waist, you put her. If you want put one for your neck side, you put one. If you want anyhow when you want to pose, they sit down top, they begin to they dance. This something they carry them, they wave them. Una to mumu. Something want if na person when person when not they do vasabi, whenever enter, they go say, me my loud now. Not like some of them. You say, I never entered this thing before. We might no, they enter on top, they begin to they dance. That thing is to show your beauty. I go call them motivate una. The day when I go bust una head. This one right comment now, you don't delete it. It say na me without they do that nyamanyamati. The day when I go bust una head, you yourself with the right. Lovely, yeah, lovely. You never go party, lovely, never. Which party I want go? This one. Party where they go come, they'll begin to they shout. Party when they will go come, they'll begin to they shout. Even if say I enter party, from my head to my toe, it reach 1,000 euro. It reach 600. Una not go even know because una don't know the worth of cloth when person they wear. Now be una business. You people, you are too local. How can Edo State be local like this for so many years? You say you're local. The illiteracy, my sister, not be here. That is to display your beauty. They sit down top, they begin to they dance. Audio, live video presenter. Why are you something when you know Wetin? We are not talking of cloth again because for me, I feel so any cloth where go. They talk only that this day when they display beauty, when they show beauty. Some live video presenter enter, they begin to they dance on top. Hi, Jesus! Who now they show something? Who now want pepper? Like me now, you see this live video presenter, none of them be my taste, not be mouth. They are not my taste. Everything they used to dress is out of fashion. It's out of fashion. You need a dress, it's out of fashion. When you dress, it's out of fashion. Say person go put part goat put for nyama goat put for neck, part bead put for neck. Only you want. You have to put on small goat. Put on for your neck, put one bead, big one, put on for your neck. Finish. They go pack gold, pack bead. Say una get money. I know those is one pack. Nothing dead there. No money, no dead there. You go ever. I dey like where money dey. If you put this something for grand, you go small. You go say how much? You go say yeah, this I'm giving you 600 euro. We will not say money. That one na money. I say we pack your top. I don't calculate that where this worth nothing. Hey boy, where this worth nothing. Now, common something where they display beauty. When I begin to they dance on top, illiterate people. mumu. This one show say na him no pass. The second one show say na him no pass. See our sister when dey here. She's a live video presenter. If you bring all the old live video presenter come out, because the one when not they do live video, their name not there. If you bring all the old live video presenter come out, now she dress pass. Now not see her dressing. She not get go for her house when she go out join this one. Eh? If Meg want say that go, me pack and put for neck. People will say, Meg now wow. Wetin you wear? Wetin be this one? Say your name for where make you use and take. Yes. To be frank, this is who for the whole live video presenter we go the party. This is who I bring come out when he beauty is hell. See it. See her. See the carry the rest come out. If you see their face make kokoroko, their face make gaga. As they don't they come now, they don't they pump. In our pump, I don't reach there today. Any live video presenter when I just see for there, I know just greet her. Some self they want even greet, so you get one. That one, the two of them did Germany. The second one greet her. That one shift body come out. I say, why they go no go? Only a problem in Uguamo. How they look on our face before I start to the greet. Why be say una be like this? Ignorant people. Una how they look eye. Now eye na that they look. Who can go one? You yourself who can your system with your one? If you don't say that person throw away, you yourself who were bone. Now you go come say if you come say you bone, you will come they look you. Maybe later you come back and meet how you did now. Then they set eye for really matured women will be women. Then they set eye they wait for each other. In party. De party no wa yo. E pa we party wa mo si ya ho. Enu waka yo wa wetu wa ya wa abua alubara. We don't know wetin una smell for this one. I've never come tell us. Kate when you see who they smell alubara that they no can go this one again. Make come tell us who smell alubara. Yes, natural. You see makeup when they put. Party they get makeup. This bag makeup when they use all the old color. They know they use them for this thing again. They don't remove that color when the first start makeup. They don't remove them. They don't use them again. They just pack color. One person will use almost 3 color to do this thing. Eyebrow, this thing, makeup shadow. Yeah, why I makeup I go and makeup. Live video presenter we don't know how to make up. Nonsense. The person, you know, right comment again, you don't waka. Show off, but they do not even have anything. Yes, so candy. Is it candy? Yes, they want to show, but they don't have anything to show up. To be frank and sincere, women when get something, then they feel me, they know what time they talk. Even they the one that even have little one. If they use and take dress come and you see the way when they fine. Eh? On top of this thing, that posing machine, where you go display your beauty. Did you know that these people climb on top, they begin to they dance? Hi! Very local people. Wahala. Did you know that round machine? I forgot the name because I always see them for this all those modern this thing fashion parade. You know, say that they put them for modern fashion parade. If you see a modern now, if na mad, then I go just stay on top. You go put a hand for your waist, do a leg, carry one leg go front, carry the second one. You go raise up. You go take your eye go up. The something go come move round. Then you go turn again. The something will come to move around. I bouquet. These people enter on top of that this thing. They start dancing. A live video presenter. When I not even see something big come out, and they come, I will find day. You see? Yeah, well, me we can't talk who wear cloth. Me not forget cloth on I wear. You don't concern me. Me not forget cloth on I wear. But that display, this when they display beauty, that machine when it round, when they sit down, when they display beauty, as so fucking these people is, they sit down on top, they dance. They dance on top, my people. Agbuke ukeya. They don't dance on top. You post, the something go carry you round. If you still post, you still want change or not that thing, and you go they change yourself for there. You know go they dance. They stay on top, they begin to they dance. Who na they show so na go party? Wait till na even wear go party self. Which cloth una wear? Which cloth una wear? More na enter house. Anytime we party do party, una must come dey zigegbo. My people, may I leave una? My best you don't. You don't. See, you see this, see who go party, if they say for Idahosa saga space, when we talk about party, if una fit bring another one, when you find past this one, we not bring and come, we will still come display now. We will check the beauty, the outfits, when you wear high, the makeup and all those things, we could constantly look at. We can still look at. Nonsense. Now party now na the shuffle. Yeah, you go, I not go. They pay you, say I not go. I go, they pay you. Why you not come? You come, you not go. I go, I not go. On top of that thing, you can not disqualify wa. Because you don't tell when they talk about una clothes, say una dressing. Why go dress say? And more forget dressing. What on top of this thing, that machine, when they display beauty? Didn't you people see how you guys fuck up there? You guys big time fucked up. How can you climb on top of that or that this thing? You start dancing. It's not floor where you dance. It's what display beauty. That is what that machine meant for. To display beauty. You can even chair self. You see chair. Or you go do chair finish. They will as that chair as they go build that chair. The fashion of that chair. They go put on top of that thing. Then the something will come, they roll the chair, carry the chair, go here, carry the chair, go here. They'll come set light put to bring the beauty of that chair out. Now enter on top, now begin to the dance. And they will be. You not be motivational speaker, you not be depression speaker. There be depression speaker. Depression, I they worry now. Since all of us say na depression, they worry now. Any life presenter will enter on top of that. Yes, they dance on top. Yeah, any of them will just enter. The live video presenter, they just dance on top. I don't know who now. They say, na mugu go say, una dress fine. Una not dress fine. Na me talking. When my dress say mugu. That one when they write comment, why you not write again? You don't run. You for right now. And lovely, we know they see you for by which party this one? Me and na party they ya do aso. E party me and na pe aso. Eh, we will ya party o. Èmi nu si lo ye gbe ma o. E to nu gba lo ehun ma o. Ye wu ye o. True. Wa na wa. Mugus. Oh man, no go dress or are party. You know how many tailor you go find. You know how many tailor. The one when you choose and pass, when you like pass, then you go give cloth. No be so nyama cloth can't give one. I don't even know what to they wear. Now princess that. Now they say that they wear. Princess this thing gown. Princess dress. They all can be boba princess dress. Can be boba princess dress. I don't know. Now breast two princess this thing, that dress. e wajo be una e come be like who wear boba e koko no wa e mudia because who so for una no so aware una no as una so na get money why this clothes you can see even the material one I use. If you go to fashion this thing near Hukmo, when they're so finished already made, you can see it there. Yes, any type of lace you want, when you go to fashion design this thing, you go see am there. Your brother, your sister, they Bini. If na Lagos, now your sister dey tell am say e get one party where they want do. I beg you need the best this thing so far, dress so far. If you read, they go say, sister, see am how much? You go say this one na 80,000, this one na 120, this one na 150. Ooh, yeah, doy 150. We are using 150,000 dress. Now you that go they look for the party now. Who do the party? Say they not go they look again. You don't know. You know, see some people if they reach party, who do party go come they even look person when he come in party. You never see him. That one you not right again. You know, if you continue right, you don't work. It is say you want to talk. Now today that they say lovely, you know they go party. The party near you for near vie. Una no dress. Make una enter house. For una dress, you know concern me. Everybody know say all those young girls now when they enter years back, few years ago. My people, if una want buy gold, make una go shop, go gold shop. Go they buy for there. If you no get cash, put am down. If na 600 euro now you want buy, you say if you tell them say you want pay 3 times, you pay 3 times. If na 1,000 euro you want buy, if you tell them say you want pay 3 times, you pay 3 times. How? 350. You don't pay and finish now. You don't use 3 months to pay gold of 1,000 euro. Yes, that is it. And if you still have the cash, go to shop. Gold is investment. Gold no be decoration. If na decoration, na gold to be like that. You go see you go pack gold put for neck. Pack gold put for neck. That time when we dey Italy, you will see Signora go pack gold put for neck. When you can see say some people they cut their neck, they cut gold. Signora they all they pack gold put for neck again. Then they come and they also put one for neck. They all they pack gold put for neck again. I don't understand me. My people now advice I they give you now. Why are they gold? Like we have a problem. So we have a problem. I must have a problem. I want be a problem. If you they solve this one finish, you go they solve this one. Now only would they pray to God say make we not get problem when you go clear our head. Normal problem then when you go solve with money. Yes. You feel just day house now. The first doctor say, oh, your mama not well. They need 500 euro. No need to come and say, lovely, you feel borrow me 500 euro. No. The gold when you buy, carry and go shop. If you reach there, you go sell your gold for them. They go help you buy it. Go shop, they buy gold for person hand. I talk about that. One person say, now lie, you lie. Now lie, you lie. Go shop, not they buy gold. Go shop, not they buy gold. You lie, where? You lie, where? I say, see, I'm Mumu, because why? Una no one lane. The day when I come carry and go where the gold day, I don't see it come. You don't come my way again. Shame and disgrace don't enter. Yeah, don't back man. Nonsense people. They'll come here, they make noise. Yeah, lovely. You don't get this one. Lovely. Got it. Something when I did the dress come and not be fake. Lovely, no, they use fake. They use a fake. If na t-shirt now you see for my body now, no be fake. E get name. I tell na here my young guests now when una dey throw children. Wa mi go nya woto. Who get 5 children now? They see money woto. Gold na investment. Go buy am. Why call doy? Who dey buy? Osalo boy get me a problem. Who the area can here go do yahion? They give you money. Yes, they sell gold. They give you money. If I say I need money now, I'll carry my gold, come out, go sell am, go give me money. Yes. Or they go make get one big ring when they wear now go drink. When that one they say lovely, you know they wear gold now conscious. I say you know how much this big gold drink be. If I carry am go where they sell good now, they go collect am for my hand, give me money. Now so it is. See see Maggie. You know not see how it dress. See the way when it take dress. He wear this silver dress. She put on silver earring. Why she not come put bead on top? If now carry fake vie, now we put on top. This dress when he dress now, if now use and take dress now. All the pangolo necklace when do na house, it go full for neck. Or voru. It go full for neck. I mean, if you see some of their neck don't dirty finish. You know, say that thing they cause skin disease, which they don't know. If you see most of their neck don't dirty finish. Where they wear chemical will come wash for their body. Until you now come get cancer through those things. Now will come out to our hand. How many oyibo una dey for abroad? See what una dey papu for body. Now una still teach una women when dey Nigeria. Any ihuwa for ne. Iari wekwe kinyu bini. Only where yahiade of one kinyu bini. Or where my old they not buying for New Bini market. If they reach New Bini market, if food there. Those things they cause skin disease. Skin disease. You go they as they wash for your neck, if they stain your neck like that. See most of them now they don't get skin disease. Necklace can never stay your gold necklace can never stay your neck. Even if say it's small. Even if say it's small, it can never stay. You see some women when you go say it pikin ear, you remove earring for your pikin ear. You say your pikin ear, they always they scratch your pikin. If you put earring for ear, my sister, no they put that fake gold for your pikin ear again. Go shop, go and buy gold earring for your pikin. Then they see €100 own. Then they see 120 own. You see, buy and put them for your pikin ear. Your pikin ear no go they scratch your pikin again. You see that chemical one, now they scratch your pikin for your pikin ear. Yes. That is it. Comment wait they say on say me on take pose. Wa male eti le pose lo. Wahala wana bouquet. They enter. That thing, the one live video presenter. Now so he bag when you hold it, follow and dance on top of that thing. If you be real woman when you know how to pose, you get the way when you take hold that bag, you will just stand still. The sun to just they carry you, they show your beauty. If they dance, he have bag when you come they dance follow and say, what is this? A zaga. To why are you people mad? To why the way una to do something is una busy past mad people. We are busy, una busy, but if mad person not even busy like that. Just come out to say beauty this thing no. Now they begin to the dance. Their handbag, their purse they dance follow. The purse when you go feel hold that purse. Or you born when they hold that purse. If you born reach this thing, they get the way when they take they hold that purse. I bet me could go learn how they take the whole purse. That one na number one. If you go to party next time, you see that beauty this thing when they say una come dey climb. I beg, my sister, make una dey hold una bag where. You hold your bag where. Purse ni adi ni amukegbe. You hold am where. Then they come dey dance on top of the rolling this when they display beauty. Iyana agbuke uke ina we. Live video presenter Mumusko. Motivational mumu walawa. My people, see dressing when this lady dress now. We will come out and say this dress is not good. This dress is fine. This dressing is a very cool. Then they say make don't they dress? Una sit there for inside poto for Nigeria. They follow go to the chop cassava leaf. I mean now because other women will just come they bring other women down. And I'll just follow them. You will first go find that person. Before go and look for it. I talk and one day say, that time when we come that year, we see money go dey rough money. I no talk am. How is it? Because why? I will be okay. Small pikin brain. We can't use until they rough money. Small pikin brain. Like the young girls when they enter now, before they come out from Nigeria now, they don't see fine houses. They'll say, oh, tell me, you just get one house where they my area, now that house now they I thought say time when I enter abroad, now that house now go build. Before you go, no, that pattern don't call you. You go say, no, tell me, I not build that house again. I don't see the one when you find past that house. You go build them. That time, you go even give you money self. You yourself, you will carry the money in that shop. Use and take buy this one, use and take buy that one, use and take buy that. Which woman go boss come out now? Now say una carry bag of 600 euro. E dey. E no dey. Una just dey for there. They say una get money. Una not get money. Make una enter house. Why we go? Women when get money, no they talk. See una makeup. See una makeup. Una you people cannot make up. Just to make up. I know if I say when too much they show my makeup for face for Facebook. But if I make up come out, that they hell now. If they see the picture, that they hate now. Now that all of them still come Padak Mangoro enter Facebook. They want start to they practice. Hey, lovely way we make up Olajao. My makeup na fire. You know that makeup when I make for this thing. One woman when he called me, he called us say. My sister love that. He said the day when they do that makeup, he laugh. You say if I they do the makeup, I go they talk, they dance, they laugh. He say he can't come out. He say in the evening when he can't see my video, he can say hey sister lovely now we makeup uban. Makeup uniye wa dinner mosoa. You see if I they do and something they do and one fair coming one they say mama say he say my makeup be like a agidi. If he there inside pot. The pot when they take they do the agidi go dirty. If they carry the agidi come out, the agidi go the white. Most of the way first me start makeup. Today they see they do one can use less makeup. Yeah, pack a flower, yeah, flower. Most you make up like that. You people should be known at the look program. Chinese people when be say they bring everything, these eyelashes, everything when you they see so. Now Chinese people now they get them. But they not they make up like that. See Oyibo, go to Oyibo party. The day, the place when I they work before, you get one Oyibo lady, they carry me, they come house that time. I go Amsterdam, I go buy something, I come back. I can't quickly buy something for here. Because on Sunday, they not they quick open. I can't quickly buy something. As he see me, he say, wow, lovely. I say, wow, my God. The woman got a shout, wow. Look at your makeup, man. Wow. Who do this? And I say, I did it by myself. He said, seriously? So cool. The day when I show my contact person, say, nah, me be this. My contact person say, really? I say, yeah. He say, your makeup is so nice. I say, yes. Come. Not become pack this in for face. Pa. Every year we says. You people should reduce. You people don't even know what to be modern. Why my bati modern? No gbe why my dog me? Lovely. I ever see you for party. Which party I want go? Which people I want follow go party? If I want even go party, I not go party when live video presenter go. No, major. I not even he said the party that they do for back of my house. Say they invite live video presenters. I know they go. Major. They two they fight. Wa hongbe. Why we rock ba wala wa bona enter house. A pa say if you want to do party, anybody that want to do party, you can go and do your party in the sky, in the moon. Anybody can do party. Nonsense. My people. Now ziggy na. Gongoro. Don't see waiting the part from body gongoro. As I do this video now, no say that if I do this video now, they know too much can shout. They'll say now truth lovely talk. Only that display, that this way they display beauty. Only for there alone, they fuck up. Let them go back to that video again. Whoever record that video, then record themselves. You people should go there and check how now fucked up on top of that rolling machine. See the way one take fucked up. See the way one take fucked up. They come they dance on top. Hi! Avec book on top là. I always have to come they dance on top. That it come for you, ko. I wear on one go a party no way pie the Murphy. See the men when they. Now see the way when the men they dress. Now the men when they now they dress. See a pie fey. See John Osage. See all of them. See See men. See the way when they take dress. See the way when they take fine. Iya wa mo zigi. Wa we trying to have a yagbeko. Wanna still go buy better ghetto. Wanna no AliExpress ghetto no feel na belle because economic wa. You don't or they button because everybody born. Everybody get big stomach when they born. But buy ghetto day American ghetto. Wanna find contacts. You can go it out. Go to Google and go it out. You tell them say you need American ghetto with America this thing Brazil. If you they not go cheat you. If you go fit come to Germany or any country where you are, they go tell you say you go fit come there. If you no go fit come there, they'll tell you say you no fit come there. That time you get one shoe when I want buy for America. And this thing Puma. That Puma I like her. As I want buy am, they can't tell me say they know they shift and come my country. I not come fit buy am. They say they know they shift and come. I don't fit buy am. You see, I like her. That Puma when it lace be like this thing, ribbon when they take the tie children hair. When I know that Puma now, I be going buy am that time. I don't fit buy am. Because say they no fit shift and come here. There is a lot of things when they like to order. They will talk say they no go fit. You know. That is it. I don't talk my own finish. For now come they fight to not concern me. Because me myself, when I know say I be go. Somebody be the when I know say I be go. You know see how? You see? The makeup is beautiful, everything is beautiful, the clothes is beautiful. For she dey like big cloth when you make our sister, she dey like cloth when be say if you sew am, they like am make big. Everybody know that one. But as big as the cloth go big reach, she don't add something on it. This is how to dress. When you have big gown, there is no need for you to pack zigzag for body. No. I beg you now, they not be good that they purple for body, my sister. Only are go do I think doya. Go where they sell gold. Tell them say you want bring baby, you want buy baby here. If they carry, I go give you the biggest one when you go see for inside. If na only 2, we all see ourselves say now they get her for only 2 pairs. Finish. That day when they say when I go there, the man say this one say if I want them for real gold, he say it take you 15,000 euro. Here I'm using where you na gold now buy. See her, she dey like to wear big cloth. She wear big cloth. She put on. See the earring when put. Fine. This is how it's supposed to be. Not go dey pack it. I will say she still just pack plenty things. Put now, pack and put. I'll say no. But this dress, the way when they use this dress, this is perfect. This is how it's supposed to be. This is how it's supposed to be. I don't zoom the picture for now, make una see and where. This is how it's supposed to be. Did you see it? No necklace, because you don't need necklace. No necklace, because this cloth, I will say you want even wear necklace. If now one tiny necklace, but you not put necklace because why? Almost the neck of this thing, it close in neck. You see, it close in neck. You see the way when it be? And also now come and now come they say, lovely, come here, lovely, come here. Lovely see you, lovely not a shade, lovely did this one, lovely did this one. I can never dress the way one I take the dress. My look is different. No, my look they different now. I don't feel dressed like they be like say Adam Unuwa like Webo. It's like people that spend 20 years, 19, 21 years. Una no still know how to dress. It get as e be o. Why go dress? No na try. Abeg, no na find better tailor for Edo State when go dey sew cloth for una. I just go beg una. Who? People, me I leave una.